When you feel like giving up, don't. When you thinking about giving up, don't. When it look like you ain't gonna make it, keep going. When they tell you you can't, come on, man, who are they? When they tell you you're not gonna make it, don't believe them, man. Don't believe them. You got to be relentless.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Stay in it. Stay focused.
Quitting guarantees the failure. Once you quit, it rules out any chance of succeeding. The mere waking up every day, putting the next foot in front of the next foot, at least keeps you in the game.
But you can choose in the midst of all of this that's going on to be happy in spite of life's challenges. See, a lot of us, because of our limited vision of ourselves, a lot of us who begin to focus on problems and enable them to overwhelm us, we begin to think that we have no options. We begin to believe that there's no way out. Well, guess what? There's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. We have two primary choices in life. We can either accept conditions as they exist, or we can take the responsibility to change them. See, a lot of people want to exempt themselves from taking responsibility. All they want to do is talk about the problem. Every time you see them, they'll tell you their story over and over and over and over again. No. You want to take responsibility for your life. I got me here, I can get me out of this. And I'm getting out. I'm not going to be a volunteer victim. I'm unstoppable. This will not get me down. You've got to make those kind of declarations to yourself.
I have never met anybody who became incredibly successful in any area of their life until they had suffered and sweated and sacrificed and kept their focus.
decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, already falling for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, falling for you.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, already falling for you.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, already falling. No matter what you do to switch the story up, I know I'm there in my mind. And I was still to do it all. That's the crazy part. I don't need more now, but it's not losing it. So come pick up your clothes. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, already falling for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you.
Already falling for you.
Falling for you.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, already falling for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, already falling for you.
Falling for you, already falling for you, already falling for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you, already falling for you, this is good enough for you, already.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day.